Okay, welcome back. Now, for those who do not want to use their API keys or their secret keys in a third-party application, there's another version of the XchangeRate robot for those kind of people. Now, before I leave this page, I could check the activity here to see. Okay, but at this point, the robot hasn't purchased anything. So we gotta go here. So this is the interface where um, this is pretty much not completed yet, but we can still look at how it works, so we can have an idea of what functionalities to expect there. So okay, to see the MVP, so I click here just for it to. Now this is very simple to use, because all you need to do is you just look at it. Does not have any setting, no need to enter your username, your password, your API, your secret key. All you need to do is you want to pick signals from it, and you have options to pick from exchanges. We have about 10, I think 12, sorry, between 10 and 12 exchanges that will come in right here. I think Kraken will be added, in a few days, or in about a week. So before the end of May, we expect that all of the exchanges, almost all the exchanges in the world, should be here. Now, what it does really is it picks coin. And so I don't need to do anything. I just need to look at it work. Oh yeah, it's picked this. Oh, it left it again. So when it picks a coin, it analyzes the coin within 90 seconds and see if the coin qualifies. If the coin qualifies, then you see it has here under the the activity. Wow, you can see that we can see the activity it is being on, and the result that it's generated on the 61 trades that it had. But I want to see a new one come up, so let me just wait for another 1 minute and 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay. So for this one, you really don't have a control over what it picks. It uses several criteria. It uses the RSI. Okay, this one has an RSI of 38.76, MACD of 0.04. This is the lowest price, 10 trades. The stop loss is on 3.99. The buy price and target price. Wow, so let's wait. If this coin will get in, all you need to do is to wait. All we need to do is to wait. And the name of the coin is AMP. That's the ticker of the coin, so we're waiting. Now, if it passes the test till the 90, oh, so leave it out. So it means it failed. So it's picking now ETH. Okay, it's looking for what price to come in at. So basically, for this one, you pretty much don't need to do anything. All you need to do is to just watch whatever it picks. So okay, looks like AMP World will come in. Did it? No, it did not. No, AMP did not make it into the list. So well, I think I need to end the video. So the basic thing is, when it comes in, and you see right here, that's the price, the entry price that you need to enter. So, and you can use this to look at the highest price attained to exit the coin. So this one pretty much is for signal seekers, people who want to know what best position that they can engage in. So that's the reason for this version, and doesn't require, remember, the main thing is that this one does not require the API and the secret key on a third-party app. So you're pretty much safe with your accounts. Thank you.